Hello friends, welcome to our Hello Fall Makeup Look for today. And this is the first anniversary for the Kirk Collabs. So happy anniversary. This is the Keeping It Real Fun Makeup Collab. And on today's video, I am going to do a fall look, trying to get the color of my leaf. Thank you so much for stopping in. So friends, let me introduce you to the host of this. The host is Miss Michelle from the Age Grateful channel. And thank you, Miss Michelle, for putting this together. And also, friends, this is the year anniversary for the Kirk Collabs. So happy anniversary, Miss Michelle. Thank you so much for putting this together. Now, we have grown. Now it's 8 of us. So friends, let me introduce you to the ladies. All of these beautiful ladies, links will be in my description box. Don't they look glamorous and beautiful? I'm going to start this look with my Dazzled Natural Eyeshadow Collection. And it's like a chocolate brown look. And I bought this from a Fred's department store. I am going to try to work with both of my eyeshadow looks at the same time so I can make it even. Because sometimes you can do one, it will be mixed sometime. Well, that's with me. So I'm going to try to make my life easier with this. This palette is a Juith, the Magic Mini by Juith. And I actually won this from Miss Shirley Ann. She does hair and makeup. So Miss Shirley Ann, thank you for my eyeshadows. And they have a lot of beautiful fall colors. So the colors I'm going to use will be the Nana, the Kia color, and the Borona color. Friends, there wasn't no special technique I did with this. I just went back and forth until I got my desired color. So thank you so much for watching. And here I would just add a little bronze color. I bought this from the beauty supply store. It doesn't give you a name or a color, but I love the bronze color of this. Friends, I must say it has been fun with this, but I'm not going to keep you too long. And I am here almost at the end. And I got this new lip gloss lipstick from Target, and it's by Elf. And it says that you put it on wet and it dry into the color. So I love this for the fall because I like some fall beautiful, soft, bronzy color. Today I'm not going to put on any lashes, but I am going to use this essence. I got it from Amazon and it's supposed to lengthen your lashes. Friends, I'm going to be honest with you, it really does work. So if you're not a lash person, try this. It's called Essence. Friends, this is my final look. Please tell me what you think. This is my look for the fall season. Thank you so much, ladies. Miss Michelle, happy anniversary to the Kirkland Collabs. And I hope y'all enjoy this. And once a month, we're going to do our best to come give you a new look. Thank you for watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. God bless y'all. Bye-bye from Penny.